So today is, you guessed it, New Jersey Workshop Day. And I made the mistake of thinking it was roasting hot in New York. It was when I was checking every day. Now it's not, it's freezing cold. So I'm wearing 2 jumpers, my thick socks, and my gloves that I bought in Iceland that I didn't think I would need for the rest of the trip. Anyway, must get on with the Challenger. Oh my god, that took absolutely ages, but I finally finished the first drum on the front wheel. That's it all rebuilt back together, and I've tensioned up the wheel bearing. I've never really rebuilt shoes before, I'm used to discs to be honest, but I'm fairly confident that's going to work. It's all freed off and lubricated, so it should be working really well, hopefully. The problem is, as you mechanics out there probably already know, the first time you do a job like this in a car, if you've not really done it before or you're not familiar with it, it takes like 4 times longer than it should. So now that I've done that and I've got all that experience on how to do it, I'm hoping that the other freewheels will happen in a fraction of the time, but I've yet to find out if that's the case or not. Plus I'm battling, you know, not having quite the right tools, although the tools are pretty good. So now I'm going to fire on and get the rest of the wheels done, and then I can move on to the other jobs like getting the fuel system working, and then lastly probably the electrics, and then all the other little jobs that need done. And thanks to everybody who's been tuning into the vlog. I know there's a lot of new subscribers recently, and there's a lot of my friends and family are starting to watch it, so that's brilliant. Thank you so much. Had a very productive day actually, for a change. Been quite a long day. I've got all of the brakes done, so that's new wheel cylinders, new shoes, new springs, clips, all the hardware involved. So that's all of the brakes, and the new master cylinders installed, so that's hopefully all of the brakes working. I've even managed to get the handbrake working again. Then it's ready to bleed the brakes, and hopefully we'll have brakes. Then the next thing I need to do is start on the fuel system, although I'm starting to run out of time because I really wanted to have the car running and driving by tomorrow. because that is now Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's 3 days I've been working on it. Still don't know what I'm doing about the car rebuild kit, which there's no sign of, so I can't get a new one very quickly, so I don't know what to do about that. I just need to find out if it's going to run. I mean, it runs if you pour fuel on it, so we know it runs, which is good. How well it runs, I have no idea. Yeah, I really am looking forward to getting it out of here. So, it's been exciting. I've been living in this awesome muscle car garage for the last 3 days now. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna head back and get changed and head out and grab some food. What is that? There's a raccoon in here, brother. There's a raccoon that comes in that little hole over there. And it wanders along there, and it goes along there, and then it sleeps over there when it wants to get a wee bit of shelter. Anyway, me and the raccoons are getting on great. I'm actually not being funny. I've been dying of boredom in here. I've had to use all my data to stream some music because, dear Lord, it gets boring in here.